I am here today to help you not fall in the same trap that I fell in. I have spent hundreds, probably thousands of dollars on accessories, material, patterns, books that I've never used. So today I'm going to show you and talk about how to not get into this spending adventure when you're just beginning into quilt making. Hello and welcome. I am Jackie with Jackie Russell Creates, where we talk about everything quilting. I hope to inspire you to make traditional patchwork quilts and some art quilts, whether they're big or they're small. So let's take a look at some of the stuff that I have purchased that I've never used, that's just sitting in storage bins, and maybe you can inspire me to create something with these. So if there's something that you see that I show today that you may be interested in, comment below and let me know if you want me to make a video showing or creating from one of the many things I'm getting ready to show you today. So I go into a quilt store and I see something that's cute or I like it. I'm like, oh, I'm going to do that. Let's go ahead and get it. And then it just sits there and other projects take priority over that. So one of them that I did, I got this kit. It comes with everything in it. It's a little snowman. It has the beads with it as well, and it's an applique. I paid $45 for this. It came with the pattern and all the material except for the batting and the back. I may have looked at the pattern. That's it. I thought it would be cute to hang on the wall. So if you'd like to see me do this, let me know down below. I go in and I see all these patterns. I'm like, oh, these bags would be so cute. These patterns range anywhere from $9.95 up to $20 a pattern. I can make all kinds of bags. Would you like to see making a bag? This is a sewing one that has a thread catcher. Has to do with hams. Your sewing hams if you're into sewing, and a little storage container. I thought that'd be great. Haven't even looked at it. Some more different style bags. So if you're interested and want to see me make one of these bags, let me know. Here's even another one. This is like a weekender bag, full travel. Never looked at any of these. I liked them when I saw them. Just because you like them, don't purchase them unless you can say you 100% are going to do it. Here's another one. It's an applique. I say it's easy. I paid $20 for this. It has the instruction and the applique for the 4 animals. I did open it. Do I get credit for that? So if you'd like to see making a quilt with these one of these 4 animals, let me know. We can work on it. Here's another one. It's called Northern Wilderness. It has all kinds of blocks in there, and they have the different animals, like there's a dragonfly, a crow, an eagle, a moose, bear, mountains, fish. Where I live in Wyoming, we're a bunch of outdoor fishermen, hunters. Figured this would be perfect. Haven't done anything with it. You could take each individual block and make their own quilts, wall hangings type thing. Nope. Here's another one. It comes with everything. This is a $30 pattern. Moose is one of my favorite animals. Nope. You'd think I would do it because it's my favorite animal. Nope. I haven't touched it. Here's another pattern. I actually have this fabric and I still have not done this pattern. It's working with a panel. So if you'd like to see quilts made with panels, let me know. I'll show you some panels here. Some more patterns. A cute little, here's another applique one. I just got the 2. I got the fox and the deer. But how cute would that be for a baby quilt? So speaking of panels, these are all panel fabrics. Some of them I have multiples of. Like this one, this one at least has 3 of the same panel. Here's another panel. I have 2 of it. Thinking that's cute. I can do something with it. Nope. Some more panels. These ones are elk. I have some deer panels. And each panel runs anywhere from $7.95 up to $15 a panel. So what happened is this Quilt Shop burnt, and these were what was left. And I was like, okay, I'll get them. I can do something with them. And they just sit in my, this is the same fabric as this one, same panel. Each one of these are same, they're the same panel. This one, I bought 7 of the same fabric, same panel. It is a mousse panel. Let's see if I can, yeah, I can pull one out. I bought 7 or 8 panels of this. I thought it was gorgeous. And so I was like, why not? Well, I actually bought it because I wanted to do One Block Wonder. I bought 3 books. So now I have the books that are $25 a piece, and the fabric just sitting in my stash, taking up space because I've yet to do with it. So if you would like to see a One Block Wonder quilt done, please comment below. Help me use this product I bought. You know, I showed you the One Block Wonder books. I have a Dresden quilt. If you've used Dresden plates, I actually have several Dresden plate templates of different sizes that I haven't used. Just sits in my on my shelf. So if you want to learn how to use a Dresden plate and make a cute quilt, comment below. I have this Halloween fall one. Never done anything. Fall's my favorite holiday season, and haven't done anything out of this book. We have a machine quilting book to help do free motion quilting. Maybe I should get this out and try it. Maybe I'll leave it out and not put it on the shelf so it's in view. I think that's a lot of the problem is, you know, we buy the stuff and we put it on a shelf and it's no longer in view. All my books go in my office, so unless I see them, they're not registering in my head. My fabric is stored in tote, and they're the cloth totes that go into the shelving unit, and I have them dark so the sunlight don't get into them, so I don't see all my fabrics. And so, you know, they get out of sight, out of mind, I guess. And so here's several more books that I have that I've yet to do anything out of. This one I thought was so cute that I would do stuff with it. I bought 2 of them. You know, here's some more. This has a bunch of different animals, paper piecing animals. So if you want to learn about paper piecing, let me know. Here is some animal book. Yep. Don't use anything with them. And so then we get into rulers. I purchased an add a quarter plus. I thought, okay, that'd be nice and easy to have to add that 1/4 inch onto your patterns, right? Still in the package, never used it. I have Wonder triangles. It makes 8 shapes, 8 sizes. It came with 2 stencils. I pulled them out, I looked at them, and put them back. I was going to do a paper piecing with the mini hex, so I bought this template. Nope, still there. Then I was like, okay, I want a different one, so I bought this one. It's a hexagon tool, and it actually had this cute little pattern with it, and I was like, oh, that'd be great, I'll use that. Nope. Here's another triangle to make 60-degree triangles. Nope, it still uses it. It's just there. Then I bought all of these. It was a whole kit to use for free motion. There's like 10 rulers here. It won't work with my sewing machine and my foot. I have to buy a different foot. So I can't use these with my sewing machine. So they just sit in a box. Here's my tip to you. When you go into a craft store, have a plan. Know what you want to do. you know, if you have your pattern, buy just what you need for that pattern or that quilt. Don't try to overspend, because that's when you'll get into this, where you have so much that you don't even know where to begin. You start thinking and you're over, you know, like, where do I begin? There's so much here. So start with something simple, do that project, and then progress. You do not need all of this. And just because a fabric's on sale and you think you can do something with it, you don't have to buy multiples. You can always go back and purchase more if it has not been expired, I guess, and no longer making. But I want to say 90% of these I can get, and I haven't even used the ones I got. So if there's something that you have seen in this video that you would like for me to pull out of my stash and do a project with, please comment below. I'd be glad to start using some of these tools, these patterns, even, you know, taking an inspiration and coming up with my own. If that's something you're interested in, just let me know. Comment below and let me know. If you want to see a certain technique, use one of these certain rulers. Let me know. If you want to see more of the machine quilting and coming up with designs and patterns, let me know, and we'll be able to make a plan and do it and show you. Bottom line is, purchase what you need. Don't purchase because it's on sale or because you think you're going to use it, or it's a cool gadget or a cool pattern that you'll get to, because you're going to end up with stashes and stashes and not even use them. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And like I said, comment below and let me know if there's anything that you want to see me do a project in the future on this channel with. Anything that here. I will be buying a foot to be able to use these templates, because I think that'd be fun to try. I may actually try it on my other sewing machine, my heavy duty one. I was trying it with my other Singer and it didn't work, so I'll see about that, because I really do think these would be fun and exciting to use. If you're new here and you feel like sticking around, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a video. I try to upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. So at least 2 to 3 times a week. Until then, happy quilting, my friends. And remember, only purchase what you need, not because you like it and you feel that you need it.